How to Homeschool Children, a guide for parents and educators. Homeschooling is an educational choice that provides a flexible, personalized learning experience for children outside the traditional school system. It allows parents to tailor the curriculum to their child's needs, interests, and learning pace. While homeschooling can seem overwhelming at first, with the right tools and mindset, it can become an enriching experience for both children and parents. This article offers an in-depth look at how to homeschool children, from the basics of getting started to creating a supportive learning environment. 1. Understand the legal requirements. Before you begin homeschooling, it's essential to familiarize yourself with your state or country's homeschooling laws. In many places, homeschooling is legal, but there are specific regulations and guidelines you must follow. These may include registration. Some regions require parents to notify the local education authority of their intent to homeschool. Curriculum standards. Many states or countries have minimum educational requirements or learning goals that homeschooled children need to meet. Testing or assessment. Some regions require regular assessments or standardized testing to ensure academic progress. Researching the legal landscape is crucial to ensure you remain compliant with your local educational regulations. 2. Choose a homeschooling method. There are various homeschooling methods, and finding the right one depends on your child's learning style, your educational philosophy, and your family's goals. Some popular homeschooling methods include classical education, focuses on a rigorous, well-rounded approach with an emphasis on grammar, logic, and rhetoric. Children study history, language, philosophy, and the arts in depth. Charlotte Mason centers around literature, nature studies, and hands-on learning. It emphasizes the use of living books, those that are engaging and written by passionate authors, and outdoor exploration. Montessori, this child-centered method fosters independence and hands-on learning. It encourages children to follow their natural curiosity and learn through play. Unschooling, a more relaxed, child-led approach where learning is driven by the child's interests rather than a prescribed curriculum. Eclectic homeschooling, a mix of various homeschooling methods and resources to suit your child's needs. This is often the most flexible approach and allows for a combination of structure and freedom. 3. Create a homeschooling plan. Once you have chosen a homeschooling method, it's time to design a plan that works for your family. Your plan should cover schedule. Homeschooling is flexible, but having a routine can help keep everyone on track. Decide if you prefer a traditional school schedule, or if you want more flexibility in the hours you dedicate to learning. Subjects and curriculum. Choose subjects that align with your educational goals. These might include math, reading, science, history, art, and physical education. Depending on your chosen method, you may need to select a curriculum package or create your own using free or affordable resources. Assessment and progress tracking. Establish a way to track your child's progress. This could be through quizzes, projects, or regular informal check-ins. If required, you may need to follow a more formal assessment procedure. 4. Set up a learning environment. Creating a dedicated space for homeschooling can improve focus and organization. While it doesn't have to be a separate room, it should be a space that's conducive to learning. Here are some tips. Choose a quiet, comfortable space. Ensure the area is free from distractions, with adequate lighting and comfortable seating. Organize supplies. Keep essential materials, books, pens, paper, educational toys, etc., within reach. A bookshelf or filing cabinet can help organize materials. Create a visual schedule. A calendar or schedule chart can help your child see what's coming up each day and keep them on track. 5. Incorporate hands-on learning. Homeschooling allows you to create a dynamic, hands-on learning experience. Children benefit from active engagement, so incorporate activities like field trips, visit museums, parks, historical sites, or local farms to deepen their understanding of subjects. Experiments and projects. Hands-on science experiments or art projects allow children to learn through doing. Life skills. Use everyday activities like cooking, gardening, or organizing as learning opportunities. 6. Join a homeschooling community. Homeschooling can sometimes feel isolating, but there are plenty of online and offline communities that can offer support, advice, and camaraderie. Consider joining local homeschool co-ops or groups. Many cities have homeschool communities where families can meet up for classes, social events, or field trips. Online forums and resources, websites, social media groups, and online courses provide support and ideas for homeschooling. Homeschooling conventions. Attending conferences or conventions can offer you networking opportunities, access to curriculum resources, and insight into homeschooling best practices. 7. Adapt and be flexible. One of the greatest advantages of homeschooling is flexibility. Not everything will work out perfectly, and that's okay. Adjust your approach as needed. Be patient. Children might take longer to grasp certain concepts, and that's perfectly normal. Don't rush or compare your child to others. Embrace mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process for both you and your child. Use them as teaching moments. Encourage self-directed learning. Help your child learn how to be independent and curious. Provide the tools and opportunities for them to explore topics that interest them. 8. Take care of yourself. Homeschooling can be demanding, so it's important to find a balance. Make sure to set aside time for yourself, engage in hobbies, exercise, or relax to recharge. Involve others, if possible, share the homeschooling load with a spouse, family member, or even a tutor. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to reach out to other homeschooling parents, teachers, or professionals for advice or assistance. 9. Assess progress and adjust as needed. At regular intervals, take a step back and evaluate your child's progress. Are they learning effectively? Are they enjoying the process? If things aren't going well, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Change the curriculum or teaching approach. Spend more time on challenging areas or explore new interests. Remember that homeschooling is a journey, and it's okay to reassess and change course when needed. In conclusion, homeschooling offers an incredible opportunity to personalize your child's education and create a learning environment that suits their needs and interests. With the right resources, a supportive community, and flexibility, homeschooling can provide a rewarding experience for both parents and children. It's a chance to foster curiosity, a love of learning, and deep, meaningful educational experiences. Whether you're just starting or are looking to improve your homeschooling approach, the key is to stay adaptable and keep the focus on your child's growth and development. With careful planning and dedication, homeschooling can be an enriching and successful journey. For more insightful parenting tips, please click on the subscribe button below.